Friendly is a site that lets you flirt with strangers and make money without meeting up in real life. There are a few different ways to make money on Friendly. You can make money by chatting, receiving phone calls, or via video calling. Friendly is free to use, but they do take a cut of your earnings. If someone on Friendly likes you, they will show interest by buying you a virtual drink, which has real monetary value. The person who sends the first chat message is the person who will pay for all chats going forward. There is an option for you to show interest without having to send the first message. You can also receive virtual gifts in which you get to keep 90% of the gift's worth. The gifts are worth from $5 up to $100. Friendly only support direct deposits to US-based bank accounts, and they do not offer PayPal, Payoneer, Swift or wire transfers. This app has a 3.3 score in Google Play, and it is not currently available for Apple users.